Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. So here we are covering visuals under this playlist. So in the previous tutorial guys, we have studied about this Q&A visual. I hope you guys have good understanding about this Q&A visual. And now in today's tutorial guys, we will talk about the next visual of Power BI, which name is Smart Narrative. And this is also an AI powered visual. So before start this class guys, let me give you brief knowledge about this Smart Narrative visual. So guys, Smart Narrative visual helps you to provide quick text summary of your visual and report. It provides relevant innovative insights that you can customize. So basically guys, this visual is a dynamic and it changes the value according to your narration. And now let's move towards the practical page and let's understand this visual with practical. So here we guys can see this is a Smart Narrative visual here under this visualization pane. And now let me click on this visual. So here we guys can see it getting me an error. We don't yet support summarization for any of the selected visual. And here we can also see this visual is converted into the text visual. So let me close it first. And here we guys can see this is a text visual. So guys, if you guys adding any title here, only then it works like a text box normally. But let's suppose guys, if you guys want to add any narration here and add some figures which should be dynamic, so we guys can also do this here as well. So let's suppose firstly I will write some narration here. So firstly I will write the total sales of the report. So I am writing here the total sales of our report. So let me increase the size of the text first. So here it is 10. Now let me increase to the 20. And now guys, we don't know the total sales of our report. So I want to see the total sales which is dynamic. So what I'll do guys, I will simply click here on this plus icon, which is value. And once you click it here guys, and now you guys can see it is just similar like question and answer visual, where you guys can write your own question which you want to ask. So here under this question bar guys, I will add my question. So my question is total sales of our report. So I will simply write total sales. So here we guys can see it generated a result which is 687524. And if you guys want to change the format of this figure, just select this drop down here and change from general to currency. So here we guys can see our dollar sign has added here. And if you guys want to convert into any other currency, just simply click here on this drop down. And here we guys can see multiple currency symbols are here. So you guys can select any of the currency according to your requirement. And the next option is percentage symbol. So you guys can also add percentage here under your value. So let me click here first. See guys. And now let me unselect. And here guys, you guys can also add comma here under this value. Just simply click here on this comma button. See guys, here we guys can see the comma. And now let me unselect again. And here we guys can add decimal places. So this time guys it is 0. So if you want to add any decimal places, so just enter numbers like 2 decimal places I want here. So I will simply write 2. And here we guys can see we have 2 decimal places now. So see guys, here we guys can see the dynamic figure which is 687524. Let me increase the value first. And now guys, let's cross check the figure. Is it correct or not? So I will take one card visual from here under this visualization pane. So let me simply double click here. And under this card visual guys, I will drop total sales column here, which is from my sales table. Simply select this column and drop it here. And now let me convert into the actual figure. So just go here in the callout value and change the display unit. So see guys, our result is correct. That means the Smart Narrative visual giving us correct result. And now let's write some more lines here under this Smart Narrative visual. So this time guys, I want to see the total sales of particular salesperson, which name is Shubham. But we don't have any idea guys what is the total sales of person Shubham. So what I need to do guys, I simply select this plus icon again. and simply write my question, which is total sales of Shubham. And if I click here on the search bar guys, so here we guys can see it is again generating a result which is 108140. And now let me click here on this save button. And if you guys want to again cross check, so what I'll do guys, I will simply select one slicer here from this visualization pane. So let me select this slicer here. And I will add the salesperson name here from the sales table. So here is my column guys, let me simply drag and drop it here. And this time guys, I will select only this Shubham salesperson. So let me check this Shubham. And see guys, the results are again matching, which is 108140. And finally guys, I am adding one more line here under this smart narrative visual. So this time guys, I want to check the total profit. So here we guys can see we have total profit column here under this sales table. So I want to see the total of this profit. So again guys, just simply go here under the report view and write your narration. So I will write here the total profit is So again guys, I will click here on this value button and simply I will write the total profit. See guys, the total profit is 37201. Let me click here on this save button now. And now let's cross check the figure are correct or not. So guys, I will another take one more card visual from here, and here I will display total profit. So let me simply drag and drop it here. So here we guys can see the total result is 62k. So let me convert into the actual figure. So just change the display unit from here. So here we guys can see the results are same. So in this way guys, you guys can use this smart narrative visual in Power BI. So I have taken very basics points in smart narrative visual, but you guys can add other points according to your requirement like profit, sales, and you guys can make this report more dynamic and interactive. And now let's talk about the formatting part of this smart narrative visual. So here guys, we have nothing much to cover about this formatting part. These are the very basic formatting feature which we have already covered multiple times in the previous visualization playlist, like changing color, font style, size, and so on. So just select this text, and from here guys, you guys can change the font style. From here you guys can increase or decrease the font style, and from here guys, you guys can also change the color. And in this alignment feature guys, you guys can make this text left, center, and right. So I hope guys you have definitely enjoyed this tutorial and cleared with all the features of this smart narrative visual. So for such kind of detailed learning guys, stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this free YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under this 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. And if you click here on this playlist button guys, so here we guys can see we have multiple playlists are here. So with the help of this DAX expression playlist, you guys can learn DAX functions from scratch, where I have tried to cover all the DAX functions in detail. And also we have one more playlist guys, which name is Power BI Updates, where you guys will get to see the latest update about Power BI. So you don't require to go anywhere to see latest updates about Power BI. And with the help of this visualization playlist guys, I am also trying to cover each and every visuals in detail. And those who are visit first time on this channel, kindly hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. So stay connected with us for such kind of detailed learning. And for the job seekers guys, we have this free Telegram group where I am keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, as well as you will also find some latest interview question and answers which recently asked by an interviewer. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs and trainings. But if you still think guys you require paid training sessions, so I am also providing one-on-one paid training sessions. And from day 1 class guys, I prepared for you interview rounds with some scenario based questions which is recently asked by an interviewer. So for paid training support or any other queries, you guys can connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram channel. Both the links are given under the description box. You guys can follow me there. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much.